Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix a fatal JavaScript error Discord. To start, open the Task Manager from Start menu. After this, on the search box, enter Control. Click on Uninstall a Program option. Now select Discord, click on Uninstall, wait to uninstall of system. After that, enter CMD on search box, click on Run as administrator, select Yes to open the terminal. Here, enter the command Gpupdate/force, press enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now in the search box, enter %appdata %. Click on File folder. In this window, select the Discord folder. Click on Delete. After this, in the search box, enter %localappdata %. Click on File folder. Here, select the Discord folder. Click on Delete. Now go to the link we leave you in the video description. Click on Download for Windows. When the file is downloaded, double-click on it. Click on Run and wait for Discord to install. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.